The objective of this lesson is to understand the trunc formula, which is an alternative to the int, round down, and floor formulas that we have seen in other lessons in the same playlist called formula. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try the trunc formula on the same number, 123.789, at different number of digits, which is the other parameter in the formula. So if I try it, I write equal trunc, open parentheses, I have the number, so I select the number, comma, and then I select the number of digits. Basically what it will do, it will just take your number and cut it by the parameter that you select. For example, here I set 2 digits, so it will say 123.78. If I have 1 digit, so I'm just going to drag the formula, it will be 123.7. So it will never round up, it will always round down. If I don't want any decimal points, I can use 0. And then if I want to start to the tens, to the hundreds, I can just start using -1, -2, -3. So as you can see here, it went to the tens, so 120, and here to the hundreds, so 100.